Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2018 Ford Transit Custom. This is the long wheelbase model, 6-doored, and this is also a 6-seater crew cab as well. Now this does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, Bluetooth, parking sensors and rear view camera, as well as a 6-speed manual transmission, heated seats as well as lumbar support for the driver. As you can see, it is just all across here for you. Cup holder just down there as well. I will just show you the back 3 seats. As you can see, very spacious in the back here, bench seating as well. And I will just show you the load area in the back as well. And for a crew cab, the Ford Transit Custom does offer a very generous amount of space in the back. I think anyone would struggle to fill one of these up. It does come with cargo rings to add on any load you may want to carry in here, as well as it being interior lit, and also a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner did use this for light loads only in the back as well. This is also ply lined. And if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom crew cab, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. You can type in the reg as you see just there, it should come up. Or if not, you can always visit our site in Padworth to check out this van in person, speak with one of our specialists about it, or you never know, you might find another van which you like the look of slightly more. There we are, hopefully see you here soon. You never know, you might be driving off in this.